This video will take you through the updates made to the Automotive library templates in Oasys Reporter 21. For a number of years, Reporter has included library templates to automatically post-process your results according to various automotive crash test protocols. They work by reading information from a CSV file that describes which entities should be used to extract and process your results. In Oasys 21, some of these templates have been updated to use workflow user data saved from the Automotive Assessments workflow instead. The updated templates are Euro NCAP Front-End Impact 2017, Euro NCAP Front MPDB Impact 2020 Occupant Assessment, Euro NCAP Front ODB Impact 2017, Euro NCAP Side MDB Impact 2022, Euro NCAP Side Pole Impact 2022, CNCAP Front MPDB Impact 2022 Occupant Assessment. To use the updated templates, you first need to specify and save the required data from the Automotive Assessments workflow in Primer. In Reporter, the templates can be run from File, Open Library Template. The updated templates that use workflow user data are indicated by the concertina icon. After answering a few setup questions to tell the template which model to use, Reporter will generate the report. The templates can also be run in batch mode, making it possible to integrate them into your automatic post-processing setup. Using data from the Automotive Assessment workflow has the following benefits compared to the previous templates. Setting up the data and generating the templates is simpler with fewer steps required. The same data can be used with the Automotive Assessment workflow in THIS to interactively plot and interrogate results. This was not possible with the data used for the previous templates. It also makes it easier for us to add templates for new protocol versions and protocols not currently supported. Thank you.